The average person overpays by $2,000 to $5,000 on their car without ever realizing it. Not because the sticker price was wrong, but because of what happens after you agree to a number. Dealers make most of their profit in the financing office, not on the lot. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact order to negotiate in, the add-ons to say no to, and how to walk in knowing more than the salesperson expects you to. The sticker price is a starting point, not the deal. Dealers expect you to negotiate down from it, and most people either don't negotiate at all or negotiate the wrong number. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes. They negotiate their monthly payment instead of the total price. Can you get me to $400 a month? Sounds reasonable, but it hands the dealer total control. They can hit any monthly number you want just by stretching the loan to 72 or 84 months, or by raising the interest rate. You could end up winning your monthly payment target while paying thousands more overall. Negotiate the out-the-door price, the total cost including taxes, fees, and everything else, before financing ever comes up. Before you go anywhere, look up the car's invoice price, what the dealer actually paid, using a site like Edmunds or Kelley Blue Book. Then check what similar cars are selling for in your area. This gives you a real target instead of just reacting to whatever number the dealer gives you first. Get pre-approved for financing from your bank or credit union before you go in. Even if you end up using dealer financing, having your own approval in hand gives you a comparison point and leverage. You're no longer stuck accepting whatever rate they offer because you have nothing to compare it to. Car buying is actually 4 separate negotiations happening at once, and dealers want to blend them together so you lose track of the real numbers. 1. The price of the car. Negotiate this first, on its own, before mentioning a trade-in or financing. 2. Your trade-in value. Get quotes from CarMax, Carvana, or a local dealer beforehand so you know what your car is actually worth. Dealers will lowball your trade-in to make up for a discount they gave you on the new car. That's how they make the math look fair on paper while still winning overall. 3. Financing. This is where dealers make a huge chunk of their profit through marked up interest rates. They can add half a point to 2.5 points onto your rate as pure markup, often costing you $1,000 to $3,000 or more over the life of the loan. Always compare their offer to your pre-approval. 4. Add-ons. Extended warranties, paint protection, fabric guard, VIN etching. These get pitched in the finance office after you've already mentally committed to the car, when you're least likely to push back. Keep these 4 negotiations completely separate. Never let a salesperson combine them into one number. That's exactly how you lose track of where the money is actually going. Here's the one sentence that saves you thousands at a car dealership. When they ask what monthly payment you're looking for, say, "I'm not discussing monthly payments. I want to talk about the out-the-door price first." This single move blocks the most common trick in car sales, stretching your loan term to hit a monthly number while you pay way more in total interest. Negotiate the total price first. Financing is a completely separate conversation, and it comes last, not first. Say it, hold your ground, and watch how fast the conversation changes. Almost everything pitched in the finance office is a markup on something you can get cheaper elsewhere, or something you don't need at all. Extended warranties are negotiable and often available cheaper from third-party companies after you've bought the car. You don't have to decide on the spot. Gap insurance can be worth it if you're financing with a small down payment, but it's dramatically cheaper through your own auto insurer than through the dealer. Often just $7 to $20 a month versus $400 to $1,000 or more as a one-time dealer fee that gets rolled into your loan and collects interest along with it. Paint protection, fabric guard, and VIN etching are almost pure profit for the dealer and rarely worth the price. A bottle of fabric protectant costs a few dollars. Dealers charge hundreds to apply it. You can decline all of these politely and firmly. "No thank you, I'll pass," is a complete sentence. You don't owe an explanation. The end of the month, the end of the quarter, and the end of the year are when dealers are most motivated to hit sales targets and most willing to deal. Shopping on a weekday, when the lot is quieter and salespeople have more time to actually negotiate instead of juggling multiple customers, also works in your favor. New model years typically arrive in late summer and early fall, which makes that period good for discounts on outgoing models if you don't need the newest version. New cars typically lose around 20% of their value in the first year, and anywhere from 40% to 60% over 5 years, depending on the model. Buying a car that's 2 to 3 years old means someone else already absorbed the steepest part of that depreciation, while you still get a car with plenty of life left and often a remaining factory warranty. That said, interest rates on used cars are typically higher than on new ones, and some manufacturers offer promotional low rates on new models that can offset the depreciation hit. Run the actual numbers on both before deciding. Don't assume one is automatically better. Buying a car doesn't have to feel like a trap. Know your out-the-door price. Keep the 4 negotiations separate. Skip the add-ons you don't need, and shop with your own financing already lined up. Walk in prepared and the whole experience changes. Next up, we're talking about passive income ideas that actually work in 2026. The real ones, not the ones that just sell you a course. Subscribe so you don't miss it.